Entertainment and merriment is the sole motto behind the crackers we design. We are pleased to design passionate and fantasy crackers for the demanding cracker dreamers. We are successful business people. We also have national cause. We respect our country and abide by its regulations. We are considerate to the human cause and human values. We strictly adhere to the sound level recommended by the Indian government. We are conscious and committed to keep the smoke level to the optimum possible level recommended. We stand for children's cause. We are against child labor. We extend our zeal cooperation to eradicate child labor. And this is the secret for our success.